Ever wondered how to turn your passion for writing into a profitable business? Imagine transforming your love for words into a fruitful blogging venture. The world is waiting for your unique perspective, your storytelling. Stay tuned to learn how to monetize your writing skills. Step 1. Create a unique blog. It's all about standing out in the crowd. Find a niche or a topic that lights your fire and go for it. Your passion will shine through, setting your blog apart. Remember, uniqueness is key in the blogging world. Step 2. Build your audience. To do this, provide valuable and consistent content. Engage with your readers, respond to their comments, and build relationships. Remember, a blog is a community. A loyal audience is the backbone of a profitable blog. Step 3. Monetize your blog. There are many ways to turn your blog into a revenue source. Affiliate marketing lets you earn a commission by promoting others' products. Sponsored posts involve partnering with brands that pay for your endorsement. You could also sell your own products or services relevant to your blog theme. Remember, the key is to choose monetization methods that align with your blog and its audience. With the right strategies, your blog can become a money-making machine. So, you see, turning your passion for writing into a profitable business is not as hard as it seems. Just create a unique blog, build your audience, and monetize your content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. Start your blogging journey today and watch your passion turn into profits.